can get this incredible amount of views as well as this incredible amount of revenue just by creating very simple videos which are not more than even a minute long, as well as you don't need a camera, you don't need to show your face. And the thing is that this is one of the best passive income strategies. As we talk about passive income strategies like print on demand on this channel, this is also one of the passive income strategies on which I am working, and it really pays you super well. So now let's get started into the video and let's discuss all the things absolutely in detail. So guys, this is a particular type of channel that is making all this amount of money. How you can make this amount of money creating very simple faceless videos for YouTube shorts is what I'm going to explain you in this video. So keep watching this video till the end. So this is a channel which is known as Facstar, and this channel is making a ton of money just by creating 1 minute videos which even they don't show their face. Now I'm going to show you how you can also do that stuff for your own YouTube channel, as YouTube shorts are really blowing up. So now let's jump into the content without wasting even a single minute. So the software for which we are going to use is known as InVideo. Now the thing about InVideo is that you can convert text to videos with this software. Okay, it is really very simple to use. Just you can go and now you can here select any of the template whichever you like the most, and then you can just convert that template into a vertical video. So we are going to create a small video for this purpose. So let's select this one. I think this one is good, but let's find something that is really engaging and interesting. Okay, so there are a lot of templates which are available. I think this one maybe okay. Let's select one of this. This is okay, this one would be fine because it is absolutely visible. Okay, so we will be just doing is that use this template. Okay, so now what we have to do is I have already copied a script. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to paste the script. So this is a script about 5 ways to lose weight. Okay, so you can see I have just made up the script really very simple, and then I'm just placing this over here 4 as well as here we need to place 5. Okay, now let's just give it a headline: tips to lose weight. So this is a YouTube shorts video which we are creating. Okay, so now you can see that it auto suggests you all the images and videos over here, so you just don't need to do all the stuff. Okay, and the thing is that you can do this stuff for free, or you have to just pay a very nominal fees to create this type of videos, as I have shown you this channel which is really blowing up, and this channel has also been covered in my last video which you can check out, which is there on my YouTube channel. Now just this channel is really blowing up just creating very simple vertical videos. Let me show you what this channel is particularly doing, and this is very simple. Okay, so the thing is that short videos are some videos which are less than 60 seconds, and those are the videos that can be created easily for YouTube. Okay, now the thing is that you have added your script here. This is a very simple script. You can just create a script in which there is a content which may last less than a minute. Okay, now you just need to press this next button, and the AI will automatically generate this awesome video for you, so that you can start making money with this video, upload this videos to Instagram Reels, upload this video to YouTube Shorts, provide your affiliate links in the description. You can also promote your merch store in the description of this type of videos. Now you can see this awesome video is been created for me. Okay, but we won't stop here. We want something advanced in this videos, and that is what we are going to achieve. Okay, you just need to click on this very sweet little advanced editor button. Once you click on that, you will see this fish has been swimming in this water since a very long period of time, and the thing is that once it is done, now you can see the thing is that now when your video is over here, you can do something which is like adding a voiceover. So all you need to do is come over here, add a small voiceover to it. Okay, so you can see this is a 35-second long video, and let's just add a little bit of voiceover. Record your voice, allow your microphone, and then you just have to record a small voiceover. Okay, tips to lose weight. Okay, so we have just recorded the small tips to lose weight. So you can see here we have recorded the voiceover for first scene. Now we will be going to second scene, and we will be recording the voiceover for it, and that is do not skip breakfast. Skipping breakfast will not help you lose weight. Sorry, do not lose breakfast. Skipping breakfast will not help you to lose weight. Okay, not the most perfect voiceover. Do not lose breakfast. Skipping breakfast will not help you to lose weight. Okay, I may not say do not lose breakfast. But still skipping breakfast will not help you to lose weight. Okay, now the do not lose breakfast. Skipping. Just go to third one, and we just need to add a voiceover to that also. Okay, so we are just almost done with this. Okay, now we can just add it to the third one. Okay, now we are on the third slide, and that is eat regular meals. So we have added voiceover to the third one. In this way you just have to add voiceover to all the slides. Okay, next one, go for the next one. Okay, this one is done. We are going to scene 4. Okay, now we are into scene 4, and you can see eat plenty of fruits and veg. See, it is very simple. You are just recording voiceover, just reading whatever is there in the slide. Okay, now this one. Get more active. And now let's record the last slide. Drink more water. So you can see now in this way you have just recorded the voiceover for this entire 1-minute video. Okay, now the thing is that you just have to click on this edit button, and you can just edit its background volume. Okay, so I just recommend you to keep it less than 30% so that it sounds really sweet. Okay, so now you can see this video has been created. We have created this very sweet video for ourselves. Okay, now the thing is that all you need to do is click on this download and share button, and you just need to click on this export button. Now I will also show you the preview of how this video really looks, and the thing about the software is that this videos look really awesome. Let me just skip this video so that it is just a second for you. So now let's see, the video has been created. Now let me show you this beautiful video. Tips to lose weight. Do not lose breakfast. Skipping breakfast will not help you to lose weight. Eat regular meals. Eat plenty of fruits and veg. Get more active. Drink more water. So now you have seen this, you can just create this type of awesome videos using this in video. And the thing about it is that you can download this video 720p absolutely for free. It may contain a watermark, but it's fine. But if you really want to purchase this, you can just purchase this. It is just $14, I think very less price, almost at $15 a month. Okay, so you can just purchase this and you can create this type of very simple YouTube short videos, upload it to YouTube, upload it to Instagram Reels, upload it to YouTube as YouTube Shorts, and in this way that is a great opportunity that you could be making some real good money out of this. And the thing about this is that this type of things are really getting super duper viral, and there is the biggest possibility that your video may also get viral and you may also get all the clicks, all the money, because you can promote everything. Okay, you can create this type of videos in any niche. It can be in you can say that this is a health and fitness niche, so you can create a Redbubble store in which you are selling health and fitness related designs. Then that could be something in which you can promote in the description of this type of videos if you are going to upload this type of videos to YouTube as well as in any other niche. So just create content according to whichever niche in which you are. Or if you are someone who is interested in gaming, then you can also create this type of very simple gaming videos. Just use some of the gaming clips and just join them in this software and just create this type of very simple videos. And the thing is that you can just write down, provide your affiliate links in the description as well as your print on demand store links in the description of those videos, and you can just start earning some real income, because this is something which you are building a long-term audience and this can really make you some genius amounts of money. Now no one is gonna teach you this type of interesting strategies or newest strategies, because you just find all these exclusive strategies only on this YouTube channel of mine, which is Moneymakers001. Just press the subscribe button, press the like button, as well as do share this video if possible. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.